Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the moon icon, and this is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. If you want to enable this mode, simply tap on this icon. You will see this menu here, and you can select basically the duration of your Do Not Disturb mode, and you have all day. If you select this option, the Do Not Disturb mode will turn on and stay on until you turn it off. Then we have 1 hour. If you select this option, it will stay on for 1 hour and then turn off automatically. And next we have the 4 hours, same as the hour, 1 hour rather. It will stay on for the 4 hours and then turn off. And then we have a scheduled. So if you select this option, it allows you to make a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode to turn on automatically and turn off automatically at certain times. I'm gonna select the all day option. You will see the message DND is on. The icon will change the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And then you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And if you want to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel, tap on the icon again. You will see the message DND is off, and the icon will go back to the gray color, which also indicates that the mode is disabled. Like I mentioned before, you can also make a schedule for Do Not Disturb mode. So if you tap on the icon here, tap on scheduled, it will allow you to set the start time and end time. Start time is when the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on, and end time is when it should be turning off. So let's tap on start, set it to something like 10:30 p.m. I will say. Then end time to something like 7:30 p.m. or rather a.m. My bad, 7:30 a.m. Okay. Could be 31. And then we can go back, and if you select scheduled, it should be working now, but we can make sure by going to settings. So if we press the crown button on the home screen to open the menu, tap on the settings icon, scroll down and find the DND option, tap on it. Here you can see more clearly that the schedule is enabled. It's basically selected. And as you can see, here is our schedule. You can edit it if you want to here. And also you can enable the option to sync with the phone. And what this option does is basically if you turn on Do Not Disturb mode on your phone or your watch, it will enable it on the other device. So let's say you turn DND on your watch, it will turn it on your phone, and vice versa. Okay. I'm gonna turn it off for now. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.